In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download GTA 5 on your laptop or PC. So first, we need to open up a web browser and search for Steam. If you don't already have Steam downloaded, we can quickly download it now. And Steam is going to be the platform that we use to buy GTA 5. So go to Steam, click Install Steam in the top right hand corner. Then you can go ahead and click this Install Steam button, and that will open up or download the installation wizard, which you can go ahead and click and run. Now this is a very simple install, and all we need to do is click next, choose our language and the destination folder, which I would just leave on default. You can then click install, and it will then install Steam to your computer. Then check this where it says run Steam. You can then click finish. It will then finish up installing, and then once it's finished, it will then run and open Steam. From here, we can create a free account if we don't already have one. Once you've opened up Steam, if you have an account already, it might remember who you are. If not, it will probably just ask you to either sign in with your existing account, or if you go to the button in the bottom right hand corner, you can click create a free account, enter in your email here, and you can create a free account to Steam. I'm going to log in with my existing account though, and then what we can do is we can download GTA. So now we're logged into Steam, we can go to the store in the top left hand corner, and we can go ahead and search for GTA. We should find it straight away. You can go ahead and click on it, and you should see GTA 5 Enhanced. We can download Enhanced and the Legacy version, and they will download as one. So find GTA, then scroll down, and you should see it here. There may be some special promotion. As you can see, we can also get GTA with the Great White Shark card as well. If you just want simply just the game, you can download that. So go ahead and click on add to cart. So I'm going to click here, add to cart, and that should then update my cart and add GTA to the cart. We can then click view my cart, and then just make sure GTA is the only thing in your cart. You can then go ahead and click continue to payment. It will then ask you to add a card if you don't already have one. You can add a card. You can also pay with PayPal depending on your country or region. As you can see, I've already got a card added. Then go ahead and enter in the security code, agree to the terms of service, and then you can click on purchase. I'm going to quickly do that now. Okay, so now we've done that, we can go ahead and install the new content. So if you click here, install content, it's going to then ask you what do you want to install. You've got both the legacy and the enhanced version. I'm going to go ahead and install both of these. We'll click install. You can choose where you want to install it to. So if you've got another drive, they will also show. Just click install, click accept, and then if we go to library, we should see them installing. So that is how you can download and install GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. I hope that helped. Once they're installed, you can go ahead and run them and play it.